Hi everyone, Todd with TopperEZLift. I'm here to show you our new tent setup on a little 5-foot Tacoma, also known as the Hilux, the world truck. I know you guys have been waiting for this truck, so I'll show you a little bit about what we're doing here. We've got our TopperEZLift on this truck, and we got our insulated panel on here that's made out of boat cover material, so heavy duty material. We have sides that fully open. We got some no-seam screen on here for you guys that live down south and have the no-seams. And we pretty much just set the truck up with things that we like to use, you know, when we're camping. Fans, LED TV, LED lights. With the advent of LED TVs and lights, it makes a real low current draw. So we're able to run a Renogy solar panel, which we mounted atop the truck. And when you mount a Renogy solar panel, that's a 100-watt solar panel. Basically, you can drop ship it to your door for $300. Comes with a charge controller and add a deep marine battery, and you can run all that stuff. We're literally running heated blankets inside of our sleeping bag, running the fan all night. We got a real nice, comfy setup. The package you're looking at here is called the Weekender. The Weekender actually utilizes the tailgate, because when you have a 5-foot bed, if you're a taller guy, you can't lay down, but when you lay the tailgate down, you end up with 7 feet. So the Weekender sets up with the tent rods, then we got the big hoop. It all unzips and can fold out of the way, out of the 4x8. It just all tucks away. So it's a really fast, efficient way to go camping. Then the bed platform is a nice little simple way to make a bed platform. We just made it out of plywood, a couple 2x3s and some joist hangers. You can make the bed full length or half length. I know when my gal and I like to camp, we make it about 3/4 length so we can turn around, sit up, get out. And then we added a little fridge freezer made by Snowmaster on the end there. And it's a nice little setup. You know, put a little wine rack, whatever you like, whatever you're into. If you're a hunter, fisher, camper, if you like canoeing, kayaking, paddleboarding, whatever you like to do, you can literally car top or put it on the rack, truck actually, your canoes, your paddle boards, mountain bikes, and have no trailer. When you get to where you're going, you raise and lower your topper, and you got a portable place to sleep. The national parks are really cool. The state parks are cool. They didn't put them in bad places, guys. They cost between $13 and $20 a camp. You got yourself a bedroom to anywhere you want to go, right there in the back of your pickup. A few things you guys can do with your TopperEZLift that you might be unaware of. If you have a truck and let's say you need to go get a load of dirt, you can pull one bolt out of each actuator. The actuators are still in there. They're all weather. You can leave your topper hanging in your garage without any help. You can do that by yourself in minutes. So you can go from an open bed pickup to a box truck for hauling snowmobiles, motorcycles, lawn tractors, ATVs, to forklifting stuff in the back of your truck. So from an open bed pickup to a box truck for hauling to a camper for the weekends that literally unzips and folds up out of the 4x8 work area, but it's ready to go whenever you want it. This package fits all the trucks and caps in the market. So if you buy a system, the sides are made 8 feet long. You can roll them in, 6.5-foot bed, 6-foot bed, 5-foot bed. It'll fit every truck and cap you own for the rest of your life. The actuators are made by Linac. They've been around for 30 years in farm and implement use. I didn't invent them. I invented the hardware that fits every truck and cap on the market. You break or destroy anything on that system, as long as I own the company, you own the system, I'll replace it for free. Check us out at TopperEZLift.com, guys. You'll love it.